Fesganwa, we're Dàimh, Scottish band, sing Gaelic songs, play bagpipes and stuff. We're here in Glenfinnan at the moment, which is about 20 miles east of the centre of our universe, which takes place over there, but it gets even more beautiful than this the further you go. So watch this. We're in Glenfinnan, recording the album of the year, if not the decade, for the 5th time in different years. So it's very exciting. It's like being a new band again, practicing all the time, not doing any gigs, getting dead excited about it. That's what I like about this process. Makes me feel young again. Recent lineup change. Now got Damien Halliwell sitting there on the reg, and the 3 of us who were in it from the start. I guess Gabe himself.
Well, of course, there's Griogair.
There's Griogair, just in the road in Ballachulish.
Just cows.
Just cows, that's what I was thinking now.
Gaeltachts of Ireland, Farndor mische marchs mareorch, Housen queenie de choshi de spin in tel, Maranushak and Wandus and smell.
Right, so well, I'm Griogair. I've been drafted in as the singer for the band. I was asked to join in the new album, and I sang a couple of songs, and it was a positive experience all round. I generally approach Gaelic singing very, very traditionally nowadays. I do much less accompaniment on guitar, try to focus in on a singing style or singing styles which are very traditional and would generally be unaccompanied and presented in a formalised manner. What's been recorded is very close to the live performance, but the studio stuff, yeah, it tends to capture, because they are really a live festival band, you know.
So yeah, Dàimh has been together for 15 years now, and at the beginning the ethos of the band was that we were all from different parts of the Celtic kind of diaspora, and the word Dàimh means a kinship or an affinity. This is our 5th album, but this time it features a lot of our own material.
Yeah, it should be a fairly good representation. I think the sound that we're getting just now is very true to what Dàimh have been. The sort of sound that we've built over the years, even though the lineup's slightly different. I think we're still very true to the Dàimh sound, with a couple of bonus surprises on this album.
From the beginning is that the sound that we create is centered around the pipes and the fiddle. The new stuff, that's definitely at the core. The music that we've done from the beginning is still at the core of it, but we decided to try and incorporate some of our friends and have a bigger sound on some of the tracks, a bigger sound than we're used to. I suppose we create a big sound, but we wanted it to be even bigger if possible.
So it's that excitement you get with being in a new band, something I haven't had for quite a while, where you just want to play and practice and you get really excited about all the tunes. Right. Really excited about this. Really excited about this record. More excited than I have been about any other record I've made for a while. It feels like a new thing, a different thing that's got a new direction, a new energy. We've never tried to be a folk band. It's just with bagpipes and fiddle, that's kind of what comes out.
You also want to be in a rock band, didn't you?
It's what to be in a rock band, aye. You can kind of rock in a folk band. First time we've all been professional musicians in the band. Up until now, it's usually half the band full-time work, so we didn't. It was there's a lot of stuff we couldn't do. A lot of stuff we weren't trying to do, I suppose.
Yeah.
Try and do what a band does for a change.
Not easy being a full-time musician in the Highlands, really. It's given it a good stab right now, but how's it going? We're going fast at the moment, but that's good, that wee bit there. That's snappy, that little bit. Another snappy bit.